biscuits and iguana gravy with the iguana eggs. Wow! Hey, thank you for tuning in. Here we go. Let's get started. We have the biscuits right here, ready to go. We're going to move over here to the iguana sausage right here. Let's give it a little pat there. So we made that last night. We're going to come over here to the iguana eggs. We're going to scramble them with these onions, mix them up, scrambled eggs. It's absolutely going to be delicious. I've never done this before, but let's go ahead and put the biscuits inside the oven and let's get going. Matter of fact, let's go to Comic Vision. Tune in.
First we catch them, then we cook them. When the client call, we book them. We can shoot them, we can hook them. Chase them down in the wild, then lay them in the pile. This iguana lifestyles, we've been hunting for a while. I can spot them from a mile. This iguana lifestyles, baby.
Woohoo! So let's not waste no time and dive right in and grab these iguana eggs. So let's go ahead and try to open them. I'm gonna grab them out. The texture is like leather, so I'm gonna think they're gonna pop. Let's give it a little squeeze, and it's harder than I expected. Let's grab a knife, and bam, there you go. So as you notice right away, it's yolk, all yolk. There's no egg white, so it's pure yolk. So that's gonna make it tougher. So I'm gonna go ahead and get through this real quick, pop as many as we can, and get this ready, okay? Just gonna scramble them, season them up a little bit. Now we're gonna get our iguana sausage to make our biscuits and gravy. Let's grab our iguana sausage and go ahead and brown it up. This actually smells delicious. It's marinated from the night before. So before you flip the meat, start breaking it up. It'll make it easier to chop up later on, and it'll actually let it cook thoroughly through as well. So that's what I do every time before I flip any meat that I have. I like to start making the whole, especially ground meat. So right away, it's all yolk, so it looks thicker. I'm gonna put a little milk to thin it out a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is add a little milk before I whip it, that's all. Not too much. Just like a little top layer there. Just put in the onions now into the eggs. Oh, don't forget the seasoning, as always, my sofrito out the fridge. The good old sofrito. Oh, all my seasonings are in there, blend it. Gonna mix it in with the eggs, put it back. All over the place. Let's get back to the sausage, start breaking it up and flipping it again. Break it up because we're gonna put the flour into it next. As you can see, we grounded up the meat very good. We minced it up, and now we're adding the flour, dry, just the flour. Gonna mix it in real good. I learned this tip from my boy, the Florida Woodsman. Check out my page, he's affiliated. Learned a lot of cool stuff. Mix it in really, really good. Let it cook in a little bit as well. Now once you let it cook in, it's all mixed up, go ahead and add the milk. You usually need about 2.5 cups. I have just under 2 cups, but like always, I make do. Right away, I messed up. You want to gradually put the milk in, not all at once. And now, since I have it, we're gonna go ahead and put salt, pepper to your tasting. Everyone's different, and go ahead and mix it in until it thickens up. Now turn the heat down to a simmer and start mixing it in until it thickens up, and you should be ready to go in a couple of minutes. Ooh, you guys saw that whip game. Let's go ahead and add some butter to the pan. We're gonna go ahead and add the eggs and start scrambling them up. So it's really thick, not like regular eggs. Ooh, we're about to make the review. Can't wait, excited. Iguana eggs, woohoo! Wow, give yourself a round of applause. You made it this far, all the way to the video. Let's dig in for this review. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything in and take a nice little bite. As you can see, I'm spreading my biscuit. We have the gravy right there with the iguana sausage mixed in. Got cheese already on top of my iguana eggs as well. I believe so, I can't remember. Oops, that's a no-no. So let's go ahead and dive right into this nice bite, and I'll let you know exactly how it tastes. This has everything in it. Everything except the biscuit is iguana. Oh my God. Let's dive right in it. Smell check, right? Because that's what we do. Yep. Wow. Wow. The biscuits and gravy sausage eggs are delicious. Let's go ahead and just try a piece of just the iguana egg, because that is absolutely a great combination. I wish I had a little more milk so it'll be more creamier. Let's go right in with the eggs. Not as bad, you know, pretty good, but it actually goes a lot better with the whole sandwich. So you want to try it like that. It's super delicious. I will definitely make this again, and make sure I have enough milk next time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for my first timers, and if you're in South Florida, let's meet up, baby.